Hey guys, thanks for watching Motorcycle Bone. I thought I'd do a quick video of my motorcycle boots. These are called Stylmartin Wave boots, and again, got these at Revzilla, and they're full grain leather. They've been wax treated. They're waterproof up to where the tongue meets, which is about right here, and non-slip sole. I've probably ridden in these I don't know, 30 or 40 times, and they have a couple of built-in features. They have a breathable liner, and they have PU ankle protectors inserts built in. I don't know if you can see this or not. There's a little area right here that protects the ankle bone, and they're pretty rigid. They don't twist very much. Once you get them broken in, they're pretty comfortable. They're easy to walk in. They're not like walking in moon boots or anything, but they have protectors on both sides of the ankle here. They're a type of wingtip style, sort of. Right here you can see where the shifter goes on my boot there, and it's doubled leather there, so we'll see how long that lasts. But they're pretty comfortable. My feet don't get, at least yet, they haven't gotten super hot in them, but they're pretty stylish. They're not just regular looking big square-toed boots. Look good with jeans on. They go with a lot of stuff. There's some padding at the top here. The laces stay tied. They're not super slick. They're always coming loose, and they're just pretty comfortable. It's a motorcycle boot, so they're not light and flimsy. They're pretty substantial. I think these were Revzilla. I think they're about 160 or 160, about $270. They should last quite a while, and like I say, they've been treated with wax, so they have just a slight distressed look, but they're pretty comfortable. I think they look pretty good. It's easy to shift with. They're not so stiff that you can't get your toe under the shifter or anything like that. But anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. These are the Stylmartin Wave. All right, thanks for watching.